All right, today we're looking at the Monster Bass November 2020 Regional Pro Series box for the South. I was watching another YouTube channel yesterday and noticed that even though they're in the southern region, some of the stuff that was in the box was a little bit different. Some of it was the same. So I guess there's still some value in doing some of these unboxing videos, just kind of showing you what all the variations that are out there. I know that Rick from MonsterBass does some of these as well, and the box he gets may be slightly different. I think this is the last month or second to last month that they'll actually be doing the boxes, and they're switching over to reusable bags, bait bags every month, so that'll be cool, something I'm looking forward to. But without further ado, let's get into it. I'll tell you right off the bat, I actually kind of went through this. The Thunder Cricket is not part of this. I just did that as an add-on. I have another one that came in, I think it was last month's box, and it's a black. I'm actually looking over here, looking at it right now. It's a black and blue, and then this one obviously was kind of more of a green with some flake in it. So just wanted to have a different presentation of the Thunder Cricket. So that was an add-on. That actually wasn't part of the box. Let's see here. We got the normal monthly pamphlet here. Since yesterday was Veterans Day, they've got, featuring a veteran and one of his catches there on the front, and then kind of walking through everything that's in the box for this month. And then on the back, they actually have a renewal bonus. So if you renew, they'll give you some various things here. 5-pack of swim baits if you renew for 3 months. The frogs, and and swim bait if you do 6 months. And if you do 12 months, they'll give you the baits, and then also a store gift card. All right, so let's go ahead, and there's also in here a Detour Sunglasses little card. I've actually used some of their sunglasses. I go through sunglasses like crazy. I'm out on the boat in the summer, either fishing or just recreational boating, and I seem to lose sunglasses like crazy. So give them a check out if you're interested in that. So this is a sticker for this month. A lot of you may get the reference there on that one. Let's see here. I'm gonna put these soft plastics aside. I kind of rearranged this box the other day. I actually meant to shoot this video and then got distracted. So let's reshuffle it here real quick. I don't know why I always like to do the hard baits first. So put these on here. So the first one we have here is Lunker Candy, and this is a lipless crankbait. And Lunker Candy, I believe, got a rattle. This is one of the small businesses they were featuring this month. So it's a family-owned company out of Tennessee. And so this is their, like I said, lipless crankbait, and this is in a crawdaddy color. So gonna be a good time, getting to be cross season, so it'll be a good color. Definitely look forward to using that one. And then Monster Bass brand. This is, let's see. I have to read the names on these. This is let's see what they call it on here. It just says Monster Bass on the thing. I think it's called a sticky stick or slick stick. Slick stick. And this is I think it's called the green sexy color. And so that'll, kind of mimic a shad, I guess. And that's cool. Let's see if it says anything else on here. Suspending bait. And diving depth is about 4 to 6 feet on this one. That's a half ounce. All right. And then we also have a zero gravity hybrid underspin airdrop, and I think one of the baits in here will actually pair off of the back of this as well. And it doesn't actually mark and say what color this is on here, so I'm not really sure what color that is. It's kind of an orange color. So maybe it's a citrus shad if I had to guess what that color might be. There's that. And let's see, I believe in terms of pairing, I'm gonna just guess, I'm gonna jump around here a little bit. This is a Big Bite Baits little paddle tail. And I believe this could be something that you could actually pair as a trailer on here with that. So kind of a 2-for-1 there. And then let's see on this Big Bite Baits, this one was Disco Glitter was the color on that one. And then I was gonna kind of talk about this one last, but we'll talk about it now. This is an Excite Baits. This is obviously a crankbait, dives 2 to 5 feet. And the thing that was interesting about this one, it doesn't mention it on here, but this is a limited edition custom color by MonsterBass. So MonsterBass, I guess, did the pattern on this, and then Excite Baits actually put that onto this one. So that's kind of cool. It's a little bit of an exclusive there. I don't know. Bluegill Supreme is what they're calling this one. So again, that's pretty cool. Let's see, got a couple more in here. Perfect Plastics. Let's see, this is Moon Juice Color, and I forgot what the name of this one is. It's Net Ocho, I think is what it's called. And so it's a full pack of those. It's pretty cool looking. You can kind of tell it looks like a shad. I don't know if I'm doing any justice to that, but there's that. And then last but certainly not least, another one from Excite Baits. And these are, and they're actually local. They're in Pilot Point, which is about an hour from here. Guggen Squad's about an hour from here. And I think Cream Lures is, I don't know, 2 hours, 2.5 hours from here. So this one's a high floating lure as well. And so, and this is cool, you can see, if you can see it, there's like a little groove in here. So they've kind of got it already kind of set up for you to run a hook through there. So that's it for MonsterBass for that. So you got, see here, 3 soft plastics, 1 liftless crankbait, jerk, or a suspended, like a jerk bait, crankbait, then this kind of little bladed setup there, sticker, the sunglasses, and then the Thunder Cricket, which was my add-on. It wasn't actually part of the box for the month. So that was it for November for MonsterBass. Trying to look on here and see if there's anything else that was of interest that'd be worth noting. I don't see anything, so I will see you guys next month, and hopefully start doing some more videos actually fishing with this stuff. You know, we'll throw them out of the pond or go out to one of the local lakes, and I'll actually start fishing and showing some content on actually using these baits. I've been actually collecting it all summer, and I've got bits and pieces, so I'm gonna have to probably narrate some of it and kind of put it together to make it substantial, but look for that coming soon.